Look, Jason, it's the start of sixth year. The decision is simple, for God's sake.
Your writing is terrible. You throw faddles around like confetti at a wedding. You haven't a clue of the prose, never mind the filiacht. Sometimes it's like you're writing Chinese. And you've some crazy notion that a Tyrannosaurus Rex does a great version of Dún Varúar an Dart. You're holding back my class. And you can't blame this one on the Mo Canílach. I've 20 other lads willing to learn this stuff off, to play the game. When I haw, you hing, play the game. Now, if you're not willing to slug it out, I don't know what you're doing in higher level Irish.
Okay, Mr. McCarthy, calm down. I think he gets it. Look, Jason, it's not a question of you insisting to stay in this class. It's a question of us assisting you to leave the class and to drop it down to the Gná level.
Came for.
Came for.
Came for prose. Came for filiacht. Came for alone a kind to zoo aigen. Small among Gregach on shit new fossa. Came for knock Swedish House Mafia. No Mumford and Sons. Few Lady Bleeding Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Came for knock vim with just a kind of kale normally. Fui Ruddy Normal. Fui Pell. Bernard Brogan. Knuck a Shade Egg. Pork and Croquet. Came for knock screaming with fui Kjol. Kjol New. Kjol Dousa. Kjol Rock. Rave. Indie. Cared fui Facebook. Twitter. YouTube. Memes. Planko. Jackass. Few Jackass 3D. Came for knock just ruddy relevant. I mean, on Kesh no. Ar bhí an chúis a bhí anglais seo, a ghuiil sa marn a bhuiilais seo, a kind of gorgeous ghuiilais seo.
Jason, where did you learn to speak Irish?
Tá bhí an tá a dim a bhúirte mús mé lá. Here's some mó, but mé an riad a bhí an chairó. Óna léonnta sé a chuoine mar chul. Is bagát grán nar chula me chul a fó. Sarah Crocky Lord Lochanig we are not just go my heat clay ni fago pressure create all me said ach she na be boring fui her nyave tam plant